I replaced that in last year, but this garden bed is a mess. It has fallen apart. I've got my irrigation system still in here, but we've got to fix these walls. And this bed next to it, I replaced these two sides last year with cedar boards, but look at that. It's all rotted out. So this board's got to come off and that board's got to come off. So we need to get to work. I've got 2x12s on the back of the Ranger and they're going around here. I've got this side off, Annie. I've got that side off. That side's about to come off, but I need to rake dirt up into the bed so that I don't lose as much dirt, and then I can put the other boards on. I've raked back, the wind's blowing, I apologize, but I've raked back here on the side and the ends, and I've got all three of these boards off. So now let's go back and put on the new ones. Ralph Mann, Mann's Outdoors. You probably saw a couple of these last year, and unfortunately with as many raised beds as we have, you got to replace 2 or 3 every year. So let's get it done. If you find anything helpful, hit that like button. Be sure and subscribe and share it with other people. Let's get to work. Well, that required a lot more moving of dirt than I thought it would. In the past, I've been able to just basically put the boards up where the other boards were without a lot of dirt falling. Not so much this time. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop there. I'll do the other bed in a day or two. Tomorrow we're supposed to have severe thunderstorms, possible tornadoes. So I won't be out here tomorrow, but probably in a couple of days I'll get out and get the other bed done. But it does look good. I put in our posts that I cut here and here. We've got new wood all around. That was cedar I put in last year. This one has cedar there and there. As I said before, I've got to replace this board and the end board. I'll offload those off of the Ranger and deal with that another day. Ralph Mann, Mann's Outdoors. If you found anything helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not already. That way you can keep up with everything we've got going, from our chickens, our turkeys, our gardening, some Blackstone cooks, you know, pizza cooks, and even out camping. So till next time, God bless.